Guys, today we've got something exciting to talk about. The Silkland certified USB-C 240 watt charging and data transfer cable. And this cable is promising to be a game changer in the world of connectivity. So stick around and I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, a USB-C cable, but why is this so special? Well, this Silkland USB-C fast charge and data transfer cable is certified for a massive 240 watts. Most of the cables that you buy in the shops for charging and data transfer might be like 20 watts, 30 watts, 40 watts, 100 watts. I've bought one before, and you know, that was a fairly expensive cable. And guys, you know, I think, you know, when you've got something that's certified for 240 watts, which will maximize the most that you can get out of your charging device, this cable means it's got to be designed to meet the highest standards of performance and compatibility. Now, before we get into it guys, Silkland sent me this cable to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And you know, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. Now guys, this Silkland USB-C cable looks and feels premium. It's got a sleek and durable design, and it definitely looks like it's built to last. But the real test is of course performance. So we're going to connect it to a computer and see how it performs. I've got to say before that though guys, the one thing that I do appreciate is that the quality of these connectors is really nice. They fit really snugly in the ports, and you know what? That should help with ensuring a good stable connection every time. Now I've got an external hard drive connected with the Silkland cable to my computer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag a movie file from my computer to that external drive. Now the file is nearly 4 gigabytes, so let's see how fast the transfer will be. And there you are guys, just over 11 seconds, which is not bad at all considering the drive is pretty old, and in my charging tests the results were equally impressive, with my iPhone 15 Pro charging up in around 30 minutes and my MacBook Pro charged up to about 85% in about 40 minutes. So pretty impressive, because you know what guys, these, you know, if I can get to, you know, 85% in 40 minutes on this computer, this has an all-day battery. That's pretty good. And guys, all that quality and speed is only going to cost you a mere £8.99, and compared to some big brand cables that are less capable, it's definitely a bit of a no-brainer. So for you specs guys out there, the Silkland cable can deliver high transfer rates of up to 40 gigabytes. So transferring music, videos, photos, as we've seen, is a breeze. In fact, it's 8 times faster than a USB 3.0 cable. And when it comes to charging with this cable, you can charge your devices at lightning speed, as it can handle up to 240 watts, 48 volts at 5 amps of charging power, and utilizes power delivery 3.1, and thanks to that eMaker chip, which gives you stable power delivery and protects your devices from overcharging and overheating. Video output up to 8K at 60Hz, or you can get dual 4K 60Hz display support. And guys, it's all backward compatible with all of your devices. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. This Silkland certified cable is a fantastic addition to your tech arsenal. It combines top-notch performance, durability and versatility all into one sleek package. So guys, if you're looking for a cable that won't let you down, this just may be for you. I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Silkland for sending me this very capable and useful cable. I'm Dave, with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.